Lockdown extended till the 3rd of May. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says during this time we must continue to follow discipline as we have been doing so far. WHO commends India's timely and tough actions to stop COVID-19. The PM says from the 28th of April, after evaluation, certain places could be given some relaxation. Warns if conditions of lockdown are violated, relaxations may be withdrawn with immediate effect. Tomorrow, the government will come out with the detailed guidelines on how things will proceed further. Prime Minister Modi seeks support on 7 fronts, including taking extra care of elders, not violating Lakshman Rekha of social distancing and lockdown, and making compulsory use of home-made face covers or masks. Indian Railways extend the cancellation of all passenger train services in the wake of COVID-19 lockdown. All domestic and international scheduled airlines operations shall remain suspended till the midnight of the 3rd of May 2020. Total number of COVID-19 cases so far is 10,815 in India, while 353 people have died from the virus. 1,189 people have been discharged. Meghalaya reports first case of COVID-19. Battle of humanity against COVID-19 continues across the world. More than 19 lakh cases reported to date. 1.19 lakh people have succumbed to the virus. US records 1,509 coronavirus daily deaths. France extends lockdown for another month. Italy's daily new coronavirus cases decline. IMF grants debt relief to 25 poor countries. And the nation remembers Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar on his 129th birth anniversary. President, Vice President and Prime Minister greet fellow citizens on the occasion. Dr. Ambedkar was the chief architect of the Indian Constitution and was India's first Minister for Law and Justice. Namaskar, you're with the latest here on DD News and DD India. I'm Gautam Roy. Now, in the daily briefing by the Ministry of Health and Home Affairs, the latest figures of COVID cases over the last 24 hours has been shared. 179 cases have been cured or discharged, while 31 deaths have been reported. Overall, 1,211 cases have been reported during the last 24 hours. Now, taking all of India's figures, total number of positive cases stands at 10,815. Out of these, 9,272 cases are active. 1,189 have been cured or discharged, and there have been 353 fatalities so far. Now, in its daily briefing, the Health Ministry, along with the Ministries of Home and Finance, as well as institutions like ICMR, highlighted the efforts undertaken by the government in order to facilitate the people. The Ministry of Home Affairs representative said that 80 crore people to receive 5 kg of rice for the next 3 months, adding that they have resolved 5,000 complaints till now. The ICMR representative gave out the data that 2.3 lakh samples have been tested so far. He added that currently we have enough kits available to test people for 6 weeks hereon. A new installment of RT-PCR kits has been received, and 33 lakh additional RT-PCR kits have been ordered. The consignment of 37 lakh rapid testing kits too is expected to come in soon. The Health Ministry representative highlighted over 218 Lifeline Udan flights have been flown to deliver medical equipment sent to remote areas. He said that focus is on northeastern states, island territories and hill states. Adding further, it was said that 31 people have died in the last 24 hours. Now, to tackle the issue, 602 dedicated COVID-19 hospitals have been made ready. Hospitals equipped with 1,06,719 isolation beds and 12,024 ICU beds. The Health Ministry said that the main focus is to break the chain of transmission. If no new cases are reported for 28 days from any specific area, it can be said that the chain of transmission has been broken. The Union Health Ministry further briefed on the COVID-19 situation in the country today as well. Health Ministry spokesperson said that 602 dedicated COVID-19 hospitals have 1,06,719 isolation beds and 12,024 ICU beds that have been readied in the country.
602 dedicated COVID hospital, जिसमें 1,06,719 आइसोलेशन बेड्स हैं और 12,024 आईसीयू बेड्स हैं, वह हम तैयार कर चुके हैं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के सहयोग से. इस नंबर में भी निरंतर बढ़ोतरी की जा रही है. जैसे जैसे सिचुएशन इवॉल्व हो रही है, हम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के साथ मिलकर इस विषय में काम कर रहे हैं.
Now, India plans to slowly reopen its economy while maintaining stringent curbs in COVID-19 hotspots, as even one new patient at the local level is a matter of concern. In his address to the nation today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stressed that emergence of new hotspots is a challenge to our determination and resolve. He also appreciated the work done by state governments who have acted with full responsibility and are taking care of the situation 24/7.
भारत में लॉकडाउन को अब 3 मई तक और बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. स्थानीय स्तर पर अब एक भी मरीज बढ़ता है तो ये हमारे लिए चिंता का विषय होना चाहिए. जो रोज कमाते हैं, मेरी सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकताओं में इनके जीवन में आई मुश्किल को कम करना.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking the tough decision in the fight against coronavirus. He extended the lockdown. It will be stricter for the coming days till the 20th of April. That's when a thorough review of the situation at all levels will be undertaken. After that, conditional relaxations in areas which are outside of COVID-19 hotspots may be implemented.
20 अप्रैल तक लॉकडाउन का कितना पालन हो रहा है, उस क्षेत्र ने कोरोना से खुद को कितना बचाया है, इसका मूल्यांकन लगातार किया जाएगा. जो क्षेत्र इस अग्नि परीक्षा में सफल होंगे, वहां पर 20 अप्रैल से कुछ जरूरी गतिविधियों की अनुमति, छूटछाट दी जा सकती है. लेकिन याद रखिए, ये अनुमति सशर्त होगी. लॉकडाउन के नियम अगर टूटते हैं तो सारी अनुमति तुरंत वापस ले ली जाएगी.
To mitigate the impact of the lockdown on the poor and underprivileged, PM Modi assured that their welfare is a top priority. They would be kept in mind while drawing up fresh guidelines related to coronavirus on the 15th of April.
20 अप्रैल से चिन्हित क्षेत्रों में इस सीमित छूट का प्रावधान हमारे गरीब भाई बहनों की आजीविका को ध्यान में रखते हुए किया गया है. अब नई गाइडलाइंस बनाते समय भी उनके हितों का पूरा ध्यान रखा गया है. इस समय रबी फसल की कटाई का काम भी जारी है. केंद्र सरकार और राज्य सरकारें मिलकर प्रयास कर रही हैं कि किसानों को कम से कम दिक्कत हो.
PM also highlighted that the country has enough stock of medicines and ration, and hurdles in the supply chain are constantly being addressed. He also said that the country's health infrastructure is robust and being expanded. In January, there was just one lab for testing coronavirus. Today, there are over 220 such labs. The global experience shows that for every 10,000 patients, around 1,500 to 1,600 beds are needed. In India, currently, there are arrangements for over 1 lakh beds. Not just this, over 600 dedicated COVID hospitals have been set up, and these facilities are being expanded rapidly. PM Modi also urged young scientists to work for global and human welfare and take up the challenge of developing a vaccine for coronavirus. Bureau Report, DD India.
Also, in his address to the nation, Prime Minister Modi appealed for the people's support in these testing times. He urged the people to follow 7 rules: extra care for the elderly, following social distancing at all costs, ensuring proper nutrition and maintaining immunity, downloading Arogya Setu app, care for the needy and respect for those who are fighting this war at the front lines.
मैं आपका साथ मांग रहा हूं, 7 बातों में आपका साथ। पहली बात, अपने घर के बुजुर्गों का विशेष ध्यान रखें, विशेषकर ऐसे व्यक्ति जिन्हें पुरानी बीमारी हो, उनकी हमें एक्स्ट्रा केयर करनी है। उन्हें कोरोना से बहुत बचाकर रखना है। दूसरी बात, लॉकडाउन और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की लक्ष्मण रेखा का पूरी तरह पालन करें। घर में बने फेस कवर या मास्क का, और वो भी घर में बने हुए, उनका अनिवार्य रूप से उपयोग करें। तीसरी बात, अपनी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए आयुष मंत्रालय द्वारा जो निर्देश दिए गए हैं, उसका अगर हम पालन करें, गर्म पानी है, काढ़ा है, इनका निरंतर सेवन करें। चौथी बात, कोरोना संक्रमण का फैलाव रोकने में मदद करने के लिए आरोग्य सेतु मोबाइल ऐप, आरोग्य सेतु मोबाइल ऐप जरूर डाउनलोड करें। दूसरों को भी इस ऐप को डाउनलोड करने के लिए प्रेरित करें। पांचवी बात, जितना हो सके उतने गरीब परिवार की देखरेख करें, उनके भोजन की आवश्यकता पूरी करें। छठी बात, आप अपने व्यवसाय, अपने उद्योग में अपने साथ काम करे लोगों के प्रति संवेदना रखें, किसी को नौकरी से न निकालें। सातवीं बात, देश के कोरोना योद्धाओं, हमारे डॉक्टर, नर्सेस, सफाई कर्मी, पुलिसकर्मी, ऐसे सभी लोगों का हम सम्मान करें, आदर पूर्वक उनका गौरव करें।
Now, World Health Organization has commended India's timely and tough actions to stop COVID-19. Reacting on the extension of lockdown until the 3rd of May, WHO Regional Director for Southeast Asia, Dr. Poonam Khetarpal Singh, said that the results of the lockdown so far have been quite encouraging.
The World Health Organization commends India's bold and decisive actions to control COVID-19. It's too early to talk of results in numbers, but a 6-week lockdown coupled with an expansion of core public health functions like detection, isolation, and contact tracing of those who have been found with coronavirus will go a long way in containing this virus. Authorities' actions need to be supplemented with equal enthusiasm by communities. This is a time when each and every one of us must come together and do our maximum to defeat COVID-19.
Southwest Delhi District Magistrate Rahul Singh has said that all those people who have e-passes till the 14th of April will have their passes extended. He also said that Southwest Delhi, which has to now 3 containment zones, will have 1 more added to the list. He also stressed the need to provide food to the lower strata of society and said that more than 3 lakh people are being provided food in collaboration with ISKCON and civil defense personnel. Our correspondent Tapas Bhattacharya spoke to the district magistrate, and this is what he had to say.
Joining me is now the District Magistrate of the Southwest Delhi to talk on the importance and the whole idea right now about lockdown and how much it is a successful one as of now.
It is very important that when we call a lockdown, then there are few sections which must be provided basic services. Like there are daily wage earners, there are migrant laborers. So we provided them food twice every day. And now we are providing around 3 lakh people every day. With the help of ISKCON, we have been able to do this task. And we are doing it in a very meticulous, systematic manner, where we are tracking the e-rickshaws which are carrying the food for the distribution by the GPS. And at the same time, we are also ensuring that migrant laborers are provided the shelters. So we've got around 11 shelter homes in the district where we are housing 180 people. Though we have got the capacity of 800 plus, but right now, because the migrant laborers are not much in the district, so we are housing around 180 of them. And thereafter, we also had to ensure that all the essential services are maintained in the district so that there is no issue of the supply chain. So we have issued almost 1 lakh of passes in the district to ensure that all the essential services, e-commerce is well in place. So now, being the extension or the lockdown part 2, it is the same that we are going to provide. And we are going to ensure that all the services that are being provided will be extended in the similar manner. People will not face any difficulty. And all the e-passes that have been issued, because today being the last day of the lockdown, we are getting a lot of queries that what is going to happen, our passes are going to expire. So we have the information from the authorities, and we raised it to the higher authorities, and they have confirmed us that today there will be an order saying that all the passes which have been issued till now will be extended till the lockdown period.
Southwest Delhi as of now has 3 containment zones. Is it going to stay that way, or is it going to increase? Because we have seen in Delhi in the last couple of days, the containment zone has increased manyfold all over Delhi. What about the Southwest Delhi?
Till now, we have got 3 containment zones, as you rightly said. Today, I am issuing one more order for C2 block at Janakpuri. Because again, there are 4 cases that have come up there, and it will be in the good interest that we must contain that area. At the same time, we are also ensuring that apart from the containment of the area, we are also keeping a buffer zone. Buffer zone would mean that people in that area, from the surrounding areas, if they travel, they must know that it is an area which is near the containment.
That was the District Magistrate of Southwest Delhi telling us that they are making sure that all necessary precaution, all necessary steps are taken to provide impetus and to provide help to the needy and the lower income group of the society. With cameraman Kumar Datta, this is Tapush Bhattacharya, TD India, Delhi.
Let's now get you an update from Mumbai. Well, hundreds of migrant workers gathered near Bandra railway station in the Maximum City, demanding that they be sent back to their native places amid the lockdown. It was quite a huge protest. As you can see from the pictures, all social distancing norms completely cast aside. Let's go across, in fact, to my colleague Shama Mishra in Mumbai to find out more about this. Shama, can you tell us what is the current situation? Could you tell us how this came about?
Well, the current situation is that the entire crowd has been, cleared off from this particular area, and the police has cordoned off the entire Bandra station area. What really happened here? People, the migrant workers or the laborers, they thought that 14 April the lockdown would be, ending, and they thought the trains would start running and they could go back to their homes. Most of the laborers were from Bihar, UP, Bengal. So these people gathered in huge numbers, and then the police stopped them and asked them to go back. Later on, they started demanding that they be sent to their native places, to their original homes, because they can't be staying in the shelters or wherever the state government or in the nearby slums where they have been asked to put up. These people have been getting the daily food, daily ration, and they are also at many places they are getting their daily hygiene products as well. But the major demand over here that these people are making that they want to be, sent home, and they are also asking that, just for one day, start the trains and they should be, sent back to their places. But here the major issue is this also, that these people cannot be sent because they are in large numbers, and nobody in the entire the administration level or the government level wants once coronavirus, to spread at another level. That
Yes.
is why the lockdown. So these people have been sent back, and local administration, the local leaders, even the police, everyone is, intervening in the matter, and they are also giving them assurances that May 3rd, the lockdown has been extended. Until that time, they would be given all the necessary facilities and all the basic needs that they have, that would be fulfilled. So yes, let's hope that these people understand the situation
Okay.
and do not come and crowd here again.
Yes, that would be best. Sharma, thanks a lot for joining us for the moment. And that's all we had time for the moment, but the latest continues right here on DD News and DD India. Stay tuned.